Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever created a chart in Google Sheets and wanted to update the legend so it's more customized or just makes more sense for your data, this video is just for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the legend names in a Google Sheets chart. By the end, you'll know how to swap out those generic titles for something way more meaningful, making your charts look polished, professional, and easy to understand. Let's jump right in. For today's example, I have a chart already set up in Google Sheets that shows sales by product and region. I've got data for 4 regions, North, South, East, and West, and 3 products labeled as Product A, Product B, and Product C. If your data is set up differently, no worries. The process for changing legend names is exactly the same. So once your data in place and you've already got your chart made, here where the magic happens. Look over at your chart and focus on the legend. The colored boxes with names like Product A, B, and C beneath or beside your chart. The legend is super important because it tells your viewers what each color in the chart represents. But those default names like Product A or Product B, they're not all that exciting, and let's be real, they probably don't mean much to your audience. Maybe you want them to say real brand names or something more relevant to your project. To switch those out, all you need to do is double-click on any of the legend names directly in the chart area. For example, let's say that Product A in your data actually represents Nike, Product B is Adidas, and Product C is Puma. Just move your mouse over to Product A in the legend, double-click, and you'll notice it becomes editable, kind of like a text box. Now simply type in Nike. Hit enter, and just like that, your chart updates with the new legend name. It's really that simple, and the great thing is you can repeat this for each legend entry. Double-click Product B, change it to Adidas. Double-click Product C, switch it to Puma. If you make a mistake or want to try a different name, no worries, just double-click again and edit as much as you like. Google Sheets makes it super simple and forgiving. One thing to note, sometimes people try to edit the legend name by changing the original data label in the spreadsheet. That can work too, but if you just want a quick fix on the chart itself, this double-click method is fast and convenient. Plus, it means you can use more friendly or descriptive titles on your chart, even if your raw data uses shorter codes or less descriptive labels. And that's pretty much all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can transform those bland legend names into something that tells your story and makes your data way more accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about Google Sheets charts or if there's another topic you want me to cover next. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more handy tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.